Hello everyone, today in this video I will share with you second method of creating new sentences. Okay, so second method to create new sentences, new sentences for important for English speaking and writing English. Okay, so we have already learned about first method, so you can see that video on this channel. Okay, so let's see second method. So if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's see, our second method is very important here. So second method is change the sentence structure. Okay, change the sentence structure. Okay, you know how to change sentence structure, and if you have not, if you don't know about sentence structure, so please watch the both sentence structure video on this channel. So record reordering elements of the sentence can create new versions while keeping the meaning intact. Okay, change sentence structure. Reordering elements of the sentence can create new versions while keeping the meaning intact. Okay, this is our second method. So let's see example. So example C, our original sentence is he he quickly finished his homework. He quickly finished his homework. This is real sentence here. Okay, so let's create new sentence using this real sentence. Okay, so new sentence like first here, quickly he finished his homework. Quickly he finished his homework. So in this sentence we have changed sentence structure. Okay, so we have changed in this in the first sentence structure. Okay, the second sentence is his homework was finished quickly. His homework was finished quickly. So we have changed sentence structure in second sentence. Okay, third sentence is he finished his homework in no time. Okay, he finished his homework in no time. Fourth sentence is finishing his homework quickly, he relaxed. Finishing his homework quickly, he relaxed. And fifth sentence is his homework was done. His homework was done with speed. Okay, guys. So you can create new sentence using one original sentence. Okay, and you can change through sentence structure. You can create new sentences. Okay, so in these 5 sentences we have changed sentence structure, and we created new sentences like this. Okay, but we have not changed meaning of this sentence. Okay, so our second method was sentence change sentence structure and while keeping meaning intent. Okay, so we have not changed meaning in these 5 sentences. Okay, our real sentence, he quickly finished his homework, and the new sentence here. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I'm seeing you, and you do practice more and more like these type sentence, and you can create a new sentence using or changing sentence structure. If you like this video, then like, share the video, also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.